Tired of pool scrubbing? Let XtremepowerUS Cleaner do the dirty work, wall climbing included. The pool cleaning struggle is real. Picture this. A sunny day, a sparkling pool, but there's a catch: hours of scrubbing dirt, algae, and debris. Manual cleaning is time-consuming, exhausting, and often ineffective. What if there were a hassle-free way to get your pool spotless without breaking a sweat? Enter the XtremepowerUS Premium Automatic Suction Pool Cleaner. Designed to tackle in-ground pools with precision, it handles the hard work for you, leaving you more time to relax. Whether you're battling stubborn dirt or unsightly algae, this cleaner promises a sparkling pool with minimal effort. Smart design, smarter cleaning. The XtremepowerUS Pool Cleaner is no ordinary vacuum, it's your pool's best friend. Engineered with a self-navigating system, it automatically follows cleaning patterns for top-to-bottom coverage. Its 30-foot adjustable hose reaches every nook and cranny, leaving no spot untouched. Thanks to its innovative design, it climbs walls effortlessly, delivering pristine results. Unlike competitors, this cleaner doesn't require electricity or tools. Just connect it to your existing filtration system and let it do its thing. It's eco-friendly, efficient, and ready to take on even the most challenging pools. Power and precision in every stroke. This pool cleaner isn't just powerful, it's precise. Equipped with a weighted stabilizer and adjustable diverter, it maintains balance while navigating curves and walls. The polyvinyl chloride construction ensures durability and flexibility, allowing it to handle curved surfaces with ease. Operating at 8 to 12 feet per minute, it efficiently tackles dirt and algae. Unlike bulky alternatives, its compact, lightweight design means easy storage when not in use. No more tangled hoses or incomplete cleaning, just a sparkling pool, every time. Affordable, durable, and built to last. Say goodbye to replacing pool tools every season. The XtremepowerUS Cleaner is built for longevity, with high-quality PVC material designed to withstand wear and tear. It requires minimal maintenance, just clean the flapper and hoses regularly for peak performance. Unlike chemical-heavy solutions that can erode materials, this cleaner is eco-conscious and gentle on your pool surfaces. It's a one-time investment that saves you time, money, and the frustration of subpar results. Customers rave about its performance, calling it a game-changer for pool care. Your shortcut to poolside bliss. Why waste precious time scrubbing and rinsing when the XtremepowerUS Pool Cleaner can do it for you? It's perfect for homeowners looking for a reliable, efficient cleaning solution. With its touch-free operation and user-friendly design, pool maintenance has never been this simple. From its wall climbing capabilities to its eco-friendly operation, it checks every box. Whether you're hosting a summer party or enjoying a solo swim, this cleaner ensures your pool is always swim-ready. Stop stressing over pool cleaning, let the XtremepowerUS take the plunge for you.